In this lesson, we learn how to use the words these and those. These and those are used to point to more than one thing. They help us talk about plural objects by showing whether they are near or far. The word these is used to point to many things that are close to the speaker. For example, when you say, "These books are interesting," you mean the books near you. These helps us talk about things that are near in space or time. The word those is used to talk about many things that are far away from the speaker. For example, if you say those cars are very fast, you mean the cars far from you. Those refers to plural objects that are distant in space or time. These and those are called demonstrative adjectives because they describe which things we mean. These is used with plural nouns near us, while those is used with plural nouns far from us. They must match the number of the noun that they describe. Using these words helps make our meaning clear. Here are some examples. These chairs are comfortable means the chairs near me are comfortable. Those mountains are beautiful means the distant mountains look nice. These apples are fresh means apples close to me are fresh. Those stars shine brightly at night means the stars far away shine clearly. To summarize, use the word these to talk about plural things near you. Use those to talk about plural things far from you. These and those help us point out exactly which things we are talking about when there are more than one.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.